This summer season, let me show you an interesting dish that will help you beat the heat. Welcome back to the Pepper Factory Simply Healthy. Today, let me show you how to make a yellow cucumber mango more kurambu. So, as we all know, cucumbers generally are rich in water. It has a high water content. 96% of cucumber is made up of water, so it helps beat the heat so beautifully. Also, we're taking buttermilk in this. Again, another natural cooling item. Again, we're having mambaram or the mango fruit, which is a seasonal fruit and you get it only in this season, so you can have that also. Also take about 2 tomatoes, some 5-6 chilies, less than half an onion, and a little bit of coconuts. Then again 2 teaspoons of jeera, again 1 small teaspoon of rice, and a little bit of curry leaves for garnishing. Chop the cucumber, mangoes and tomatoes and set them aside for future use. When you're chopping the cucumbers, again peel the skin and also remove all the seeds inside. Cucumbers, like I said, contains 96% of water, so it helps to cool down the body so much. It also has a lot of nutrition and almost zero fat, so it is extremely healthy. Tomato is again a staple in Indian cooking. We use tomatoes for almost all our dishes and they are a great way to beat the dehydration, and tomatoes are extremely beneficial for your skin. So having tomatoes regularly helps in rejuvenating your skin also. You don't need to peel the skin of mangoes. So mangoes have really good nutritional value and also have an amazing taste. So when you add this king of fruits to your dish, it enhances the nutritional value and also gives a beautiful tinge of sweetness and an amazing aroma to the dish. In a pan, add about 2 cups of water initially and let it heat up a little. Once it heats up, we will be adding tomatoes, the chopped cucumbers, some 2 to 3 green chilies vertically slit, and also half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric has its own disinfectant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is extremely beneficial for the health. So we would be adding a little bit of turmeric, like a pinch of turmeric, just as how much it is being shown here. And we will let it boil completely. Turmeric also gives the yellow color for this dish. So just a little bit of turmeric will do not add a lot. We are not adding mangoes now, we'll be adding mangoes only towards the end. In the meantime, blend the coconut, onions, green chilies, cumin seeds and rice into a coarse paste. It can be like this, it need not be very fine and all, so it has to be a little coarse, and just get it blended. Once the water boils for about 7 minutes, add 1 cup of buttermilk that we have taken and let it boil. But do not let it boil for a long time, maximum 5 minutes will do, because if it boils for a long time, then the buttermilk will start splitting and the curd tards will start coming out, which will change the taste and flavor and the entire texture of the dish, and it will not be very appealing. Once it boils, add the coconut paste to this. In the coconut paste, we've added rice in order to have a coarse texture, and also cumin seeds, not just for flavor but also to negate any acidity that is formed because of coconut. Also, we are having 2 to 3 chilies in this to get the right level of spiciness. So adding more chilies can actually make it very spicy, so have 2 to 3. Add about 2 teaspoons of salt to this. I've shown only 1, but you can actually add 2 or how much ever as per your taste. Now to this mix, add the chopped mangoes into this. Do not let it boil for a long time. Once you add the mangoes, just like 1 minute will do, and then we can start seasoning it. For seasoning, add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and once it heats up, add mustard, fenugreek, 2 red chilies and curry leaves to it. Now this is a very rich dish which is actually extremely helpful in reducing the body heat because of the presence of cucumber and buttermilk, both of which are predominantly water, and it helps with dehydration. Also, it's a very colorful dish because you have a lot of colors in this: yellow color, red color from the tomatoes, and green color from the curry leaves and all of that, and the mangoes actually add a beautiful flavor to it. Do try this out at home. This is one dish that I would all recommend everybody to try because it has a very nice aroma to it and also an amazing flavor to it. Do try this out at home and let me know how it goes. Like, comment and share this video if you like it, and also subscribe to the channel for more informative content.